Hello and welcome to Axe Head. I just got another new little knife. It's a Walther Micro PPQ. So let's see how it looks. I knew it's small when I bought it or ordered it, but it didn't cost me much. That doesn't look bad. It is small, as I said, but I knew that. I paid 89 DKK for it, which roughly translates into 15 US dollars and 10 British pounds. Why is the focus so terrible today? Must be 440 stainless steel. It seems to be okay. It isn't loose at all. You have a liner lock. But how does it cut? You can take the knife I have right here. Well, that cuts very well. For this size, I would only think of using it for small things, like, you know, more precise carving. Don't think I would cut anything too big, but it seems to really do well. So that's sharp. Yeah. Something to measure with. I don't remember the size. I think it's about 4.8 centimeter blade. And if we don't count the lanyard thing there, we are at 11.3 centimeters for full length. So yeah, quite a small one. But I like it. Nice little addition for my collection. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching.